Hey everybody, it's Vanessa, Nestor 1981. I have shared my photo books before, but usually I just share the printed ones and just kind of flip through the pages. So I thought it might be nice to share one that's just getting ready to be ordered so you can see what it looks like page by page. So I have it here ready to go. You'll notice it has this little red line. It's just the crop guides. So I can leave those on or off just to see. I have started adding a little white border to my pages because I've noticed that I lose pictures and sometimes some of the words in the gutter of the book because I'm maybe not great about paying attention to putting things too close to the center. So that little white border just gives me peace of mind so I don't have to worry about it. So it's just your personal preference. I prefer them without it, but I also don't want to have to sit and worry if I'm going to lose pictures and then possibly have to spend twice as much on that book to have it reprinted because I made a mistake somewhere. If you've seen my books before, you know that I like for them to match, my pages to match, so I always use the same kit twice, even if it's a different subject. Most of these kits you should be able to still find in the shop. There's probably a couple that have been retired. I'd say most products are still in the shop. There's a few alphabets that I used that you won't find there. They may be from other places, but I'd say 97% of the stuff that I used is from the Sweet Shop. And that just gives you kind of a little idea of how I lay everything out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed looking at it. Happy Saturday and scrapping!